Welcome back to the channel, folks. Imagine pulling up to the most epic sunset spot with something smaller than a smart car, but it has a kitchen, a bed, and pure Italian charm. Today I'm showing you the 2026 electric tricycle camper that's breaking the internet. And yes, it's even cuter in real life. Picture this. A Piaggio ape and a vintage caravan had a baby, then sent it to design school in Milan. Bright sunflower yellow paint, chrome smile up front, and a bubble-shaped body that makes everyone stop and stare. It's only 10 feet long, weighs under 900 pounds, and runs 100% on electricity. Step inside with me. The sliding door opens like a friendly wave. Warm walnut wood everywhere, brass touches, and amber lights that make it feel like a tiny mountain cabin. You've got a 2-burner induction cooktop, a real sink, a fridge that actually keeps beer cold, and shelves bursting with plants. The fold-down table seats 2 cozy humans, perfect for coffee at sunrise or wine at dusk. Now the magic part. Flip the cushions, drop the table, and boom. It turns into a queen-size bed that's honestly comfier than my apartment couch. Overhead nets hold your books and fairy lights, and those huge curved windows let you fall asleep under a blanket of stars. Solar panels on the roof keep the batteries topped up while you're off-grid for days. Driving it is stupid fun. 45-mile-per-hour top speed, tight turning circle, and it plugs into any regular outlet. Range is about 80 miles, which is plenty when your campsite is never more than a scenic hour away. And because it's classified as a trike in most places, you don't even need a special license. Price starts around $38,000, which sounds wild until you realize it's cheaper than most teardrop trailers and you can park it in a normal spot. It's built by a small Italian company that's already sold out the first 2 production runs. So here's the deal. If you've ever dreamed of ditching the chaos and waking up somewhere ridiculous with zero setup, this might be your ticket. Drop a like if this little yellow dream made you smile, comment your favorite campsite below, and smash subscribe because next week I'm taking this thing on a 3-day desert adventure. See you out there.